What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we went to go pick up some parts with Miguel, and the white stallion decided to go out on me. Right now what I'm doing is I'm actually trying to get the engine to cool down, so I have the fans on. And pretty much what happened is the car started misfiring really bad. I would turn it on, but I don't want to start heating up the engine again. So long story short, one way you guys can find out what the problem is on the car is by checking each cylinder. I removed this one, the idling did not change. I removed this one, it got worse. I removed this one, the idling got worse. I removed this one and it did not change. So what that means is that this cylinder and this cylinder are not getting sparked, these two. Now I routed the wires back to where they're going. This one is this one, which is this one. It's going this way and it goes in here. So this right here is one ignition coil. This is the second one. This one right here. Follow the wire, which is this one. And this is the same one. So the way it works is you have two wires going to one coil. As you can see, the two cylinders that are not shooting spark are going to the same coil. So if I had one cylinder wire going onto this coil and I had another cylinder wire going onto this coil, that means most likely it's going to be the wires or the spark plugs. But both of the same wires are going to one coil. So it's making me think that it's going to be the coil that's bad. The only real way I'll be able to find out is when I swap out the coils with these ones that I know are good, and we'll find out if the coil is what's giving us a problem. Now, if the coil is not giving us a problem and we're still having the same problem, most likely it's going to be the wires. So one of them is from cylinder 4 and the other one's cylinder 1. So hopefully it's just the coil. If it's not, we're going to go ahead and replace the wires. We're going to replace the wires either way. And one way to remove the coil from this car, the screws that go here, here, and here, that's for the fuel rail. We're gonna go ahead and lift up the fuel rail. Then we have two screws that go on the side of the intake, and we have the other two that go right here in the center, which go down in here, center and two side ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a quick time lapse. We're gonna go ahead and start taking this apart so you guys can see the process, and then hopefully we get this thing back up and running in good conditions. I need to get a better bar. This one's whack. That one's a cheap bar. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove this nut, and this nut. And then we got the two screws that go on the inside. Okay, so we took off the old coil, and look what we found. They have silicone back here. These two are the coils that don't work, and look what we actually found. I don't know if you guys can see that, but see, the coil right here is burnt. So the coil right here is burnt. That's why it wasn't working. And it has silicone in the back. That's crazy, whoever did this. Good thing is we have one in good conditions, which is this one. I'm actually gonna switch everything out, even the transistor. Because this one looks way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out. I also ordered new NGK spark plug wires. Went and installed those, and kind of did my little routing right here so it could look neat. Tucked them in bottom of the fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator onto the coils. So now what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna put on the cover for the spark plugs, and that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and start it up, make sure everything's up and running in good conditions. Ooh, yeah. So we got that issue fixed, and that thing is purring like a baby. We ended up replacing the coil, new wires, just so everything could be new on that part, and we're done. Everything's working perfectly fine now. Gotta let this baby warm up. But yeah, feels good to have this thing up and running again. Alright guys, so stay tuned. On the next video, I do have some more parts that we're gonna install on the GSX. So stay tuned. This is something that you will need if you end up going with an aftermarket clutch on a GSX. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.